Today what we're going to hear from her is more for Generation Z.
You develop a vision, but you can't do it alone. So on one hand, being informed is great, but on the other hand, there is always the danger of never coming to a right conclusion.
We have these visions and they largely come from Bollywood, I think, and you broke that myth.
Gender is no more a barrier. Officer doesn't have a gender. And I would rather stay with everyone, work with everyone, run with everyone, eat with everyone. So I had to break a stereotype bias which was there, and that helped the next set of women. There's a woman even on Siachen base. When I nurture my younger colleagues now, the first thing I teach them is delegation. And I share this with all the younger women that be less than perfect. It's not always a 50-50. The reason if that becomes a bone of contention, the marriage will fall apart. And where a woman can nurture and use her nurturing qualities, she brings it to the boardroom, she brings it to the office, she brings it to her space, but it has to start with her family. I mean, your certain things like motherhood only comes to a woman. So why not we enjoy it and we'll have it all.
Everything else which is happening around you, which is in short, work politics. And that's the elephant in the room nobody likes to talk about. A lot of organizations try to pretend it doesn't exist.
When you come back, you have life experiences which no office or no textbook can teach you. And you come back with a compassion and make a better leader. When you start opening and you say, okay, this door is shut, that is when you start looking at all the windows that are open. Whenever I talk with youth and I reach out every time, I tell them, find your ikigai. Just put that little bit for what the world needs. So I think that is when things will change.